Well, happy Scalefest Friday. Today we're going to work on our chromatic scale. And specifically, I'm going to talk to you about the chromatic fingerings for your B naturals or F sharps in the higher octave and your F sharps in the middle octave. We want to make sure that we're using the proper fingering for these chromatic scales. So let's take a look first at the low B natural. So if we start on an A, we have thumb 1, 2, 3, first and second finger of your right hand. The next note after the A is an A sharp or B flat, followed by a B natural. Now you don't want to flip in the chromatic scale. You actually want to take your ring finger and activate this banana key, the chromatic B natural. So A, B flat or A sharp, banana key B. That's how we'll play that passage. Watch me play it slowly. Now, notice I didn't use my middle finger or my pinky to activate that key. It's important that you use your ring finger. Watch one more time. You can use the same fingering pattern on the higher octave for E, F, F sharp. And then coming down the same way. The banana key. The second chromatic finger I want to show you is the side key F sharps. So we all learn F sharp in the front when we're first learning how to play your clarinet. To play our chromatic scale efficiently, though, we're going to want to be comfortable with the tight side key F sharp. So it's these bottom two side keys played with the side of my pointer finger. Again, thumb F with the bottom two side keys. If I start on the E below and go up to a G, it looks and sounds like this. And coming down. It's important to use these chromatic fingerings as we're playing the scales going up and down so that we can play with confidence, clarity, and rhythmic accuracy. You'll never be able to flip cleanly at a higher tempo. You might can get away with it at a slower tempo, but as we're preparing for our All-State, and they're going to ask you to play the chromatic scale in eighth notes at 120 beats, you're going to need to be able to use that chromatic B natural, chromatic F sharp going up. Let's try to play it together. I'll set the metronome at 120 and let's play it in eighth notes. If you're not ready to do that, slow the video down. Cut it to half speed and we'll be playing them together in 60. Go as slow and as steady as you need to be able to play it accurately. 1, 2, 3. Good luck. I'd love to help you get ready for the full etude, and I have a complete high school and middle school all-state video course available on my website, 5starmusicacademy.com. And I've got a $15 off coupon going on sale right now. So for $25, you can have full access to 75 minutes of measure by measure, note for note coaching on how to get ready for the all-state exercises, scales, and sight reading. Let me help you get ready for your next big audition.